Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Notion for students. Notion is a great tool for organizing your classes, assignments, notes, and study schedule all in one place. So let's get started. First, open Notion and sign into your account. From the left sidebar, click Add a Page to create a new page. Give your page a name, such as Student Dashboard. Now, add sections for the information you want to organize. For example, you can create sections for courses, assignments, class notes, study schedule, and exam tracker. To add a heading, type / and select Heading. Next, create a table by typing / table and selecting Table. Use the table to track your assignments, due dates, priorities, and completion status. You can also create a separate page for each course to store lecture notes, study materials, and important links. If you'd like to plan your study sessions, insert a calendar by typing / calendar. This lets you schedule classes, assignment deadlines, and exam dates in one place. As your semester progresses, simply update your dashboard to keep everything organized and easy to find. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Notion for students. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and study organization guides. See you in the next video.